What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Andy. You're watching the Central Maine Outdoorsman, and today we're out in the Great North Woods. We're just outside of Greenville, Maine, and we're gonna do some grouse hunting today, some bird hunting. So stay tuned. We'll see what we get. Hopefully we can get our bag limit today, and enjoy the video. We just saw our first bird, and it's just before 7 o'clock. Not too bad. We couldn't get a shot off. Ran right across the road, but we'll keep on going. There we go. There's our first bird. Maybe an hour in. We saw a couple other birds, but we missed them. But we got one of them anyway, so it's a damn good start. This guy was all fanned out. I saw the fan, it wasn't moving, and thought it was just a stump. I'm like, there's no way it's a stump with a fan on it. So sure enough, he was looking for some action, and he found some. Right there. Went in front of that brush. Wait. There's no one to your right. Another one to your right. He flew right down. Watch your right.
I thought I was going to lose this one, so I didn't put it.
Watch out, there might be another one. Walk in. Watch your right. They went through that thick brush that's dead right here. Keep an eye out, there might be more. I'm gonna reload.
This one into the brush right as soon as I got the shot and I just shot it.
You know it's a different bird, right? That's a different bird.
Than the one that we originally saw?
Yeah.
Really?
That one's a original one.
Oh shit, I thought, because I looked down.
No, I saw you shoot that one. I'm like, geez, there's another one. I was thinking.
I looked down to put my shell in, and then I look up and I knew this one was moving.
Yeah, we got it.
I thought it went further off.
Okay, my shell won't eject. It's happened to me before.
Your what?
Shell won't eject.
Oh shit.
That's right, if you want to grab that bird.
Yeah.
Good looking bird, man.
It's a good looking one. Right next to a Heineken.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, people trash everything.
Hell yeah.
Pick up the Heineken too, because it'll save the environment here, because people don't know how to. Nice bird. Well, that's technically one I shot, but. Alright, we'll get a picture and stuff.
I'll get one of you.
You can get me pick it up, or
Good shot on it. Looks like you hit it right in the head.
I hit it high. I tried aiming high on that one. Okay, get that. Oh, you almost stepped up.
Oh,
You get him?
Jesus, yeah.
I'm gonna have to find a stick on this one.
Look, I got him in the head.
Nice, good shot. Hell yeah, man.
Sweet.
Doing all right. Do a little thing. First grouse, there you go.
Sweet.
Nice headshot. The meat's not going to be damaged.
Put my illegal shotgun to use.
Yeah, Massachusetts, that shotgun's illegal. It's a semi-automatic and it shoots 3 shells. Can you believe it? The world's coming to an end, folks.
Nice.
All right, let's get back to it. Let's go a little bit further and see what we can find.
It ran, but I saw the tail go down.
How many you still around?
I just saw antlers going through the woods.
Did they move?
Headed straight away. No, white tail.
Oh shit. That's right where we saw it ground. Well, we just missed another one. It was a far shot. I really didn't have time to grab the camera, but we're gonna go pick up Sam down the road here. That one got away. We took 3 shots at it, dead on, took our time, and it's just part of hunting. The bird lives another day. But looks like there's still some action even though it's raining out here. So we're gonna get Sam back in the truck. We'll take our time and see what we can find. We'll keep you guys posted. Oh, there's a red squirrel. Did you see anything? No. We'll let that one get away. Now we know we can't shoot too far. All right, Sam's gonna go try to get one. It's live action here, folks. Oh, I see it. Ah, that's I'm pretty sure that's not a grouse. It's not a grouse.
Not a grouse?
No. That wasn't a grouse. It got away.
Hey,
keeping our eyes peeled.
not a grouse, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
What was it?
Still gets the adrenaline going. I don't know, some type of I don't even know what to call it. Some type of buzzard of some sort. But we'll keep trying.
Yep.
I think I blew him into smithereens. I should have aimed a little higher. Let's go check it out. Let me reload in case there's another one. Pick up that shell in a minute. Dude, you know what that was?
What?
Let me double check. Yeah, it's still feathers.
Alright, well, we'll turn that off.
Let's keep that one a secret. Well, we got a bag on it, folks. Check it out. The belly of a grouse. No, I'm only kidding. That's really what I thought that was. Kind of want to compare it. Let's look at this compared to a belly of a grouse.
This better look similar.
I see the comparison somewhat, especially when it was on the stump in the rain. But
I'll give it to you.
yeah, they're all frozen together.
It's a good sign.
Kind of cool.
Good.
You can see where a moose was thrashing on this maple here, and obviously there's a moose in the area. They've been eating the tops of the trees. There's a lot of moose sign. Right, we're gonna follow it. Want me to go in?
Yeah, you go.
They camouflage right in. You really make it that far? I doubt it. Alright, hang out there. I'm gonna walk in more. insane. No way. Damn, I don't know. I'll walk towards you. Man, it walked in here. I didn't see it. It must have walked in and then took off. Well, I guess another one got away, but we'll find more.